Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lissa. Today I have a quick pickle egg recipe for you guys. So for this, you're going to just need to boil some eggs. You're going to need some leftover pickle juice. And I got a couple pickles up in there. So I'm going to go ahead and chop those up. And I also got some white onion that I'm going to chop up too. That's optional, but I like onions in my pickles and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, after you got that chopped up, we're going to go ahead and put our eggs into the pickle jar. Make sure they are still hot when you do this so that they can, soak up that juice real good. And then we're going to go ahead and fill our jar up with the onions and pickles. And after that, we're going to come in with some twangers. You can use the pickle flavor. I'm using the lime salt. But yeah, this is going to add some tang. Then we're going to do lemon pepper and a little bit of black pepper, of course. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid on, and we can shake that up. Now, after this, you just want to let this sit up for like 2 hours at least, y'all, to get some of that flavor in the eggs. It's best if you let it soak overnight, and then it can stay in the refrigerator for like 7 days after that. But yeah, you see them beautiful eggs? Too good, y'all. Too good.